This 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 28 CRT is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 28 CRT is 9,515 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.